This is the elevator in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Sadly, although, despite how old this building is, it's just a 1980s Dover Oildraulic building with impulse fixture. And it's relay control. There's an air conditioner right at my legs. I don't know if it's replacing the oil or if this is entirely new. Welcome to 3. This is a very beaten up, worn out elevator here to go up. Same management company do sound quite hard. It's not also an impulse 8-story hydro. It's a 90s relay. Entire indicators burned out, so just have to watch the alarm go out. Here at 3. Case 59's elevators. And instant door closed too. We'll go back to the lobby. And forever chime. Actually, we'll end at 1. Let's look at the 1 button. It's like completely. Oh my gosh. And the swing front's open, not surprisingly. Oh, 1 does work, it's just burned out. Listen to the chime. Instant door closed, rude closing, almost like a Western. The chime keeps repeating itself. The 1 button's pushing in the capsule, and the swing front's totally open, and the key switches are missing.